Remember we met? I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Lâu đâm lệ với cái ơi hủ châu hi in ngã nhiều ấm thấy lúc tụi cho nên sao hoa na cần phải lên về là cái lâu em kia chở đón châu này cần cần nó tìm mà rồi life car em lâu em vangin em vlog nghe in tan tin cái rồi tụi đó là nisal tụi cái là em vlog thì hitil ola ni big me rồi mà sẽ in tan chuan tin cái rồi tụi đó là mình lâu ngày lúc sắp chốt cái bây giờ chuan cái channel te lâu là subscribe lâu ni chuan in mình lâu subscribe sakla chuan mình lâu share sakla paysa kang khol chau to tuna hian cheng sang khat India paysa chuan ka nei vel her to chu chu ni kina alo ho huna ta ka khol zel tur ni wangin o lo trang zel don nia here love you guys
Okay, and what's his name?
John.
John. Okay. I'll give him a call. He's in there. Oh, he's right here at the door.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Bye.
All right.
I think I'm gonna go park over there for
phone
us to
call
eat
completed
lunch.
come think let's get down get down you like this
Hold
one
on, my lord.
do you like
Guys excited?
Yeah.
You excite them? Insert them?
Wait, let them see that. That's really cool.
Okay, I'm gonna show them.
oh
Okay.
pamoy viat say amoy lutok amoy lutok Hill kan ay pot do na. Hi lai ya hay. Hill ay turva kan la chuang ni pon tam khop mai ko ko. Tekhan.
Oh, never mind, Nancy. Please, I want mine.
Can I use for? Yeah, trash.
Really, you want me to open yours? Never.
I'm gonna open here. I'm gonna open. I'm gonna open. Whoa! Let's open. One. Yeah. Oh my God, it's bubbly. Ah! Wow! Wow! Wait! Why it's coming? White somewhere.
There. You know, do you want me to help you? Here, Evie, I'm gonna open yours. Yeah, sure. There, Eve. I got mine.
Oh, it's so good.
Why are you so good?
I bring banana.
Who want me to drink it?
Who wanna do cheers?
Me.
1, 2, 3. Cheers! Eve, come here. Cheers. Cheers.
Anybody please open it?
1, 2,
And that's not mine.
3. Hey, chipstick and Idona. What is this?
Bunny
Onion flavor. Purun sen flavor. Say. Purun sen flavor. Purun sen flavor. And hey, banana po. Kain hi. Kay ma intur hi. What?
Green apple.
Green apple. Oh.
Mine's green. Look.
Oh.
Evie, sit down and eat,
Ay
or you're
po,
not
itur
going to.
kami.
What happened to my Funyuns?
Hmm?
chicken that looks yummy
Yummy.
hey what are you eating buddy
Wait, I got something to say. Yummy in my tummy.
say atoy lutok
A toy or look. Polly in my tummy.
Voin nuami tiem did you enjoy today oh nuam ka tilutok say oh
Polly
Nuam.
in my tummy.
ka tilutok they cannot hear and strawberry also we got all the yummy stuff
Potty in my tummy.
body in your I'm gonna eat one piece of chicken
Eat a piece.
here yay let's eat it oh
I'm gonna grab some of my cheese. Put it on here. That's how you have a cheese. I see so many little seeds. You see
Do we have napkins now, right?
No. You see the seeds? I don't think so. Got me? Woo! More cheese. More cheese! Hey, Mama. People said that watermelon seeds can grow in your belly. No. I told them that that's true.
They can't.
That's what I told them.
It's an old wives' tale.
They said not true.
I wish I'm hungry.
There's dip for the strawberries if you want to try it.
I'll try.
Cream
I'll
dip?
try. I want to try. I'll try. My hand's kind of shaky.
Strawberry na ito na Ellie na ito siya pepperoni there. What is there inside? What are you eating?
I'm eating pepperoni and cheese pizza.
Say to them, yay, ve, jacket. That means do you want to eat them? Like you just offering them.
I tried it. I just don't like it.
Now, yeah. Ow, she's doing so good. Say, toilet talk. Toilet talk. Eli, say toilet talk. Ah, what? Enge ineya? Arsa. Say, enge ineya means what are you eating? And then you say arsa. Arsa. Very yummy.
Does arsa mean chicken or does arsa mean lunch?
Chicken. Chicken. Elinia.
Kami si Eliana. It's too easy.
Two. Azak. Zoom lutok. Lili tu. Azak zoom. Lutok. Kan. Mangay. Vek. Cheu. That means we love you all. Okay. Hey, ano am kop may hey strawberry hitui bermeni.
Hey, I put cream in this. Look. There's cream.
Hey, he cream and yatero. Say. Hey, he cream. Ania. Cake nen. Kan lau yang Okay, bite it now. Because you told them that you will eat. And then you said, Atoy lotok. She's so cute. Very cute. Top ni May. Hey, Lily tu zakzum lo ka. Are you shy? No? Kazaklaw. Say kazaklaw.
Her mouth's full. She's busy.
She's having a full of food in her mouth.
Evie.
So, mama zakli niya.
No, you need to finish the last one.
Evie kan aizo. Vek arsa zong ka. Oh my god, Evie mukbang ni Evie into Evie mukbang. Kan til in abotola mi china mi hi ako vera mi hi kan til la in ziak ziak kan soido na hei ka botol hei chu china niya chuan Aslin share na sabrang let her read.
Your life will be filled with sunshine.
Okay, chuan
Evie's.
my turn now. Okay, here's mine.
This chicken is
Okay, Machu, good news is on the way. Good news. Kalkong akalmek. I don't know how to say this. And how about you? Where's your lid?
Mine says flutter away.
What?
Will.
What is saying?
I can't read it. It's small words.
Evie said
Flattering will go far tonight. What's that mean?
flattery will go far tonight. That means be sweet tonight.
Mine.
Evie says share your lunch.
Oh, share your lunch. Evie too, share your lunch. You need to share
Can you see
me. Yeah, share your lunch. How about you?
Mine says accept a gift gracefully.
Oh.
Less.
Useless.
I agree.
Hey, Eli, a bottle china ni ka.
No.
Hey, buddy. Enge iya. Eli.
Yours says
Eli.
share your lunch.
Ayun na
Share my lunch.
Guys, we gotta
Let's do
hurry
it
up.
fast.
I'm done.
Give me all the trash.
I just can't eat this so much.
And yet you're gonna have room for cotton candy?
Did you roll or you run down? You can some Piera. Show me your back, your hair. Oh, samhan na lang to.
Let's go check out the flowers.
Hmm? Oh, I have no idea. I'm sure. Did you take it out or no? Hmm? That's beautiful. It's changing. Oh, thank you for taking me today. Hello, me. This looks fun.
Gotta give her your ticket.
What we gonna do next?
We're gonna ride a train!
Jaina! Kan chuang don. Yeah. Chuang chia. Eli, are you excited?
Yeah!
Who is in the bag? Ooh. Ooh. Monkey! You see Zongte. House. That's nice. I saw a monkey again. Is it monkey or what? What's that? Is it a horse? A camel. Ah! What did we see there? Wow, it's so nice. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I think we're gonna see cheetah again. I think, maybe. Right? Oh my God! I did it. Monkey, Zong Zong. Ellie, Zong take his Zong te. Batam ve. I put Zong te. Ellie, come here. I zoom it. Look, look, Ellie, look. Look at my camera. Here, I zoomed that monkey.
Guys, come up. There's a monkey here. There's a baby.
The black one. Oh my God. Oh my God. What they're doing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that real?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's big. Subtle William. I'm so afraid. I think the head is moving.
Yeah. Lily, I can't get a picture of you. Lily.
And then there's a ring-tailed lumber.
Oh my God.
Lemur.
Oh my God. The melted.
Hello, lemur. I think I see a squirrel.
That's a chipmunk.
Ah, there's another.
That chipmunk is not supposed to be in there. There's another one right there. Look, walking.
Yeah. Zero.
There's a secret
Evie.
Please. There's a chipmunk. What's supposed to be in here?
Nothing. Just the tree and stuff.
Here.
Ah, small one. Here's a
Are you gonna pet him?
I want to pet that one.
Make sure they don't bite you. I'm
Excuse me.
scared.
Mom, excuse me. I want to pet the turtle. Thank you, Mom. Yeah. Gigantic.
This is what the movie we watched.
It's probably more than a leg. Mommy, look at me.
It's the head.
This snake is gigantic. Hey, let's see what's here. These are all gigantic. Is that a tarantula?
Yeah. Mmm.
Guys, they're bees.
Oh my God. They're so
It says do not touch
cute.
it.
Is it good for them to be on the heat?
Crocodile. They're small. We're not allowed to go in here.
Are we not supposed to?
I don't know. There's no way to go in. Ah.
I guess that's the handicap way in, but I'm so used to everybody come through the gate instead of coming through the handicap way.
I don't know. Where are we? I don't know.
Yeah, there were no one to escape. That's not escape from
Domestic. She's not even walking here.
Baby, go.
Kiel ten hungai lo sa phau cham mo. Kiel mu turong ten rong kha. Lo pa khau kiel hungai lo hi. Ngò man ti khop mấy. Ôi, nó to cái thằng đó.
This way.
Hey, ram ar. Chẳng. Và là có ăn khóc mấy slime. These are, I think these are the kind we.
You can just.
Is there many like this?
Laura really touch it. No, I just said give it space. Why would you like to be chased by something trying to touch you? I like to touch you too.
See,
Mr. Peacock. Oh.
Come on, baby.
You,
Oh my God, that's scary.
Evie, you're too far for me. Come on.
Ashley, I did it. Oh my God, he's gonna shower?
Come over here. You'll be closer.
Wolf, right?
Yeah, Wolf.
Here, I zoom it. Oh my God, he's drinking water. Come, buddy. Here is the train. Wow, what a good kids. Ang fila ni ten kung kandon chanin aning kai china train and he train.
Yeah, hold Ellie's hair. That's fine. She won't walk that
Kan
fast.
hoto don siya. Bye, Vic walk. I'm hule cha don say bye. Bye. We'll see you next video.